Y'all, so we made it into D23, as you can see. You probably can also notice too, I am voice recording over this video because a couple of the videos I took on my camera, I didn't get the voice for, but that is okay. So we spotted some friends over there. I wanted to show the event map, so there that is, and we're walking towards them. They were dressed in their Tiana outfits, and we're in our Mickey Through the Years outfits. So we spotted them, and if you can see Tiana and Mama Odie, so cute. Me anxiety. So cute.
Oh, like sadness. Love it. Do you want to come in? Amazing. Oh.
You can see it, you can love it, you can connect with it. Anyway, it really doesn't matter. Oh, except for that one if you don't mind.
I was like,
Remember what it is? Once you got it locked in, you gotta put it back in the exact same spot. Exact same way. Yeah, and if you forget, I'll still find it, no pressure. Yeah, it stays good. Right. And then, tricks on your rim doesn't matter anymore, whatever. We'll just do a new one. I'm out of jokes. Okay. Let's start with your card. You remember what you had? I'm gonna say three spades, three clubs. Spades. They're really small, it's hard to tell. Look, you guys. Alright, if I snap my fingers, one card will boomerang out and I'm gonna catch it. 1, 2, 3.
the pressure was on.
One more time with finesse.
There we go.
And then, of course, remember your card? We'll use one hand. We'll use one hand. I think it was a queen, right?
What?
Say, I'll be down.
Oh my gosh!
Remember your card? I'm going to hand you a pretend one, right? We'll just say it's a 7 of hearts, but it could be anything. And we throw them in my back pocket. It's going through it. Okay, wow, that was... I felt that. That should be... Is that really your card?
Oh my gosh!
Last but not least.
Yes.
If I squeeze the deck, right, I can narrow it down.
And a huge thank you to Matt West, the choreographer of the original Broadway production.
Stop it. Where'd the deck go? Where'd the deck
One
go?
card.
To
And
Jessica
what was
Prado,
yours?
the associate choreographer.
Yes, it was. Oh my gosh! Amazing! Literally amazing.
That was amazing. Oh, I thank you.
So good. I got the lounge flag. Holy crap. Yay. I don't know how that happened.
Alrighty, y'all, another video that was struck by no volume taken on my camera. Sad day, but I'm just showing you my lounge fly that I won. So cute. It's Aurora, Sleeping Beauty, and it has the 3 fun fairies on the back. We also stopped to get pizza at this time, which was much needed, and I think our first meal of the day too. So there's stuff. She's saying that it was good and that honestly, we just needed something to eat in our stomachs at this point of the day. It was probably like 2 o'clock. Maybe the only things we had was like a Smucker's sandwich. So we devoured our pizza and then we checked out some of the pin booths afterwards. So stay tuned.
This one is so cool. Don't be nervous. You're gonna do amazing. Cute. Okay, now embody your inner Taylor. Oh my gosh. There's more? Oh. Awesome.
Alrighty y'all, so this is the last little video that I got without sound on it. We made it to the Honda Center and grabbed some chicken strips and fries. They were solid but expensive because the Honda Center. We found a spot on the floor to eat and I think we stated some of our predictions that we thought were going to happen that night. I honestly don't remember everything that we thought was going to happen, but we enjoyed our food, devoured, and had fun the rest of the night. So enjoy.
Now, our friend Josh called us and asked us if we would do a little number, you know, to celebrate our beloved Disneyland's birthday. Just hit her 70 years, guys. Can you believe it? 70 years. We asked, well, what should we sing for the 70th? You want us to write something original, right? And he said, what about one of those like Oscar-style opening pattern songs with the parody lyrics and tuxedos? And we were like, no way! No, done. We're other artists. We have integrity. It's too passe. But then he offered us unlimited churros for the rest of our lives at all the parks. So, let's get down to business. That's right, Scott. Though we're not on Broadway, we can still have fun. You're the biggest fan we've ever seen. People will make a man out of you. Hey, Skylar. For this next project, I think you'll agree. Yeah. You wouldn't have nothing if you didn't have me. They're going to build the first Monsters, Inc. land in a Disney park. And it's coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Page one. Now that I've slid into your parks like an ill-advised midnight DM, I need more, and you need more of me. Possibilities immense. Let's just brown sky for a bit.
No, it's blue sky. It's blue sky.
Not when I'm done with it. Wait. Picture this. The Jimmy Chen the Chaser. A dueling coaster attraction where you are the beef Now pay attention, because this next one is going to be a bigger hit than an expensive Spider-Man animatronic against a wall. Halloween coming up, Deadpool's heck house is here. Keeping it clean for you, Disney. Enter the Hall of Baby Arms. And don't forget, I come as a package deal with Wolverine now. We got any Disney Marathon fans out there? Huh? See you guys. Well, you love the Princess Run and the Villains Run? Now, you can get ready for Logan's Run. That's right, fun for the whole family. Except for Grandma and Grandpa. They're probably gonna hate it.
I appreciate it.
No spoilers, I'm gonna see you in the game. Is he awesome looking? Does he have really muscles? He's handsome, right? Tell me he's handsome.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Perfect. Then my work here is done. Hey, thanks again, buddy. You are killing it up here. Seriously, you are on fire. Like your dragon was.
Look, I'm not going to discuss that place today.
This dark new creation leaves us with no choice but to offer persuasion.
I am so excited to announce we are building a Villains Land at the Magic Kingdom.